I have been having a lot of fun experimenting with applying gold leaf over awkward 3D shapes, mainly because my own curiosity, but also I have been asked questions about it by my audience. And so I looked around the studio and I found 3 humble objects, an old shell, a plastic ornament and a ceramic vase. So let's see how we transform these objects into beautiful golden goodies. The most important aspect of success with this project is to use the right adhesive. So I am using my favourite metal leaf size by Polyvine, and I will be adding all my links to my favourite products in the description below. And then we're just going to brush it on to each object thoroughly. You can adjust it to the light to see if you've missed any areas, but it doesn't matter if you've missed bits because you'll be able to fix it later. So once I have applied the size to all these objects, I am going to leave them to go tacky for about an hour. And then once they've reached this perfect state of tackiness, I am ready to apply my loose leaf gold sheets. The loose leaf sheets are absolutely perfect because you can sort of drape them over the objects, and then you can just use your soft mop brush to encourage it into the surface. And then you can move on to using smaller, stiffer brushes where you've got little nooks and crannies that you need to press into. As well as it being a sort of standard imitation gold leaf. So, you know, if you make a mistake or you have to use more than you thought, it doesn't really matter because it's a very affordable product. Now, as well as using the whole sheets, you can also tear it up and like sort of patch up with little bits and pieces and pick up all those little bits underneath that are falling off. And especially with this rough surface of the shell, it's kind of a case of just pressing it all in, and we'll see what happens when I start to brush it away. This is so satisfying, using a really stiff brush and getting out the gold from all those little spikes. But what happens at this stage is where I can see there are bits where I have missed out. So I can just go back in with the size and sort of patch it up with a bit of glue, leave it for half an hour, be fine, and then you can just patch that up so the surface is completely covered. Now I'm going to move on to my little hummingbird, which was this sort of horrible dull gold colour, and we are going to give it such a glow up. I wanted my last object to be something smooth, so I'm hoping to get a really beautiful, lovely smooth finish with the gold leaf onto this surface. If you watch my previous video where I showed you how to apply gold leaf to 4 different surfaces, gold leaf worked so well on a sheet of glass, so something that I would like to do more of to create that immaculate mirror shine. So now I've got my 3 golden goodies, and oh my gosh, I love them so much. I'm just going to finish off any last sort of brushing, burnishing. The more you press the gold leaf into the surface with your different brushes, it will become shinier and shinier. And then what we need to do is we need to seal them, because imitation gold leaf can tarnish over time. So I normally use a brush on varnish or a spray varnish, but obviously for 3D, spray is going to work brilliantly. And I use the gloss version of an acrylic spray. So I take it outside because it absolutely is so powerful smelling. And then just, you know, turn your objects over, and I would leave them outside for as long as you can. And it will take a good 24 hours before they are fully cured. But that should make them have fantastic longevity. I'm so happy with these objects, but I'm a little bit concerned that I might start to cover pretty much everything in my studio with gold leaf. My dad was over and I said to him, don't stand still for too long, because you know you will end up with gold leaf on you. I hope you enjoy trying out something like this yourself. I'm thinking that I might even try adding some resin gloss over them, because I've recently started experimenting with resin and it works perfectly over gold leaf. So watch this space and I will see you soon. Bye.